This animated neural architecture represents AGI intelligence entering NeuroGov Plus as input intelligence. Inside NeuroGov Plus, the 3D, 10D cognitive cube processes multidimensional reasoning, Analyzer 1.0 performs governance control, and AGI 2026 ensures inform, govern, and assure discipline before trusted action is released to enterprise systems. This graph compares KPI, TSI, and OSI across AGI decision cases. It shows whether performance is balanced by risk control and outcome stability. This graph shows how KPI behaves over multiple governed intelligence cases, helping identify stability or decline in decision quality. TSI represents support load, pressure, or risk burden. This chart shows where governance attention is most needed. This graph compares execution velocity against outcome stability. Fast movement without sufficient stability is a warning sign in governed AI. RMSE trend shows whether the intelligence layer is becoming more consistent across release cycles. Lower RMSE indicates stronger reliability. This graph checks whether the last 3 cycles meet governance conditions for RMSE and OSI. Only stable recent cycles should pass release automatically. AGI plus NeuroGov plus, advanced AI from raw intelligence to governed, trusted decision power. One AGI alone is intelligence, not authority. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, represents the ability of machines to think, learn, and operate across multiple domains. However, AGI by itself is still fundamentally an intelligence generator, similar to systems like ChatGPT. It can produce insights, predictions, and reasoning, but it does not inherently ensure that those outputs are correct, safe, or aligned with organizational goals. Without governance, AGI remains powerful but uncontrolled intelligence, which can introduce risk at scale. 2. The missing layer in AGI governance. The global challenge with AGI is not capability, but control, accountability, and trust. AGI systems today lack a structured mechanism to validate decisions, enforce policy, and ensure auditability. This creates a gap between intelligence and action. Organizations cannot rely on AGI alone for mission-critical decisions because there is no built-in decision authority framework. This is where most AGI approaches stop at intelligence, leaving enterprises exposed to uncertainty and risk. 3. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, the AGI processing engine. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, transforms AGI into a governed intelligence system. Instead of relying on raw outputs, it processes intelligence through the 3D, 10D cognitive cube, evaluates it using Analyzer 1.0, and controls it under the AGI 2026 framework, inform rightward arrow, govern rightward arrow, assure. This makes NeuroGov Plus not just an AI system, but a complete AGI processing engine, where intelligence is refined, validated, and converted into structured decision capability. 4. From intelligence to trusted action. The key difference is transformation. AGI rightward arrow generates intelligence. NeuroGov Plus rightward arrow governs and validates intelligence. Enterprise systems rightward arrow execute approved actions. This ensures that every output passes through KPI, TSI, OSI evaluation, RMSE stability checks, and release gates before execution. The result is governed intelligence rightward arrow trusted action, where decisions are not only smart but also explainable, auditable, and compliant. 5. Final strategic positioning, stronger than AGI alone. AGI is necessary, but not sufficient. NeuroGov Plus makes AGI usable, reliable, and scalable at enterprise and national levels. While AGI represents the brain, NeuroGov Plus represents the constitution and control system. Together, they form a complete intelligence ecosystem, but without NeuroGov+, AGI remains incomplete. High voltage one-line summary. AGI creates intelligence, but NeuroGov+, advanced AI, transforms it into governed, trusted, and actionable decision systems. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the inventor and architect of the 3D, 10D AI-DNN engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, NeuroGov+, Advanced AI, and the AGI 2026 governance architecture. His work transforms AI from raw prediction into governed, validated, auditable, and trusted decision systems for enterprise and institutional use.